Good morning everybody. I am Lokesh Kumar, English teacher. As a victim of 2 times of this pandemic, I am requesting you to follow the safety measures like wearing the mask and sanitize and wash your hands regularly. Don't go outside. If it is necessary, go outside with following the safety measures and stay home, stay safe. And now coming to the class, before going to the topic, first we will discuss something about, for example, to speak in any language, grammar is not essential. Grammar is not essential. You don't think like that, what is sir saying? I am saying the fact. For example, we are speaking in Telugu without hesitating, very fluently. Why? Because it is our mother tongue, but we don't know the grammar of Telugu. Like that, to speak in any language, grammar is not essential. But to learn or speak or write in any language without any mistakes, grammar is very essential. To write, speak and learn the language without any mistakes, grammar is very essential. What is mistake? When we are speaking, if anybody will listen, they don't feel like that, what is this language, what he is speaking, how many mistakes he is doing in speaking, and his language is very filthy. Like that, such type of feeling should not be happened on our language or on us. That is the main motto. So, learning of grammar helps us to write, speak and learn any language without any mistake. And coming to the English, we are having 26 alphabets. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. By using these 26 alphabets only, in English we have to speak or write a word or paragraph or any stories. We have to use these 26 alphabets only. In these 26 alphabets, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 alphabets are known as vowels. Vowels is equal to A, E, I, O, U. And the remaining 21, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These 21 alphabets are known as consonants. Consonants are 21. And when we are writing words by using these consonants or vowels, the words with consonants are preceded by A. The words with consonants are preceded by A. For example, a bag, a bat, A cat, a doll, a frog, a gun. Means the words starting with consonants are preceded by a. And now coming to the vowels. Before writing words, first we have to learn about the vowels and consonants one more thing. That is, vowels means, for example, in Telugu, we are having two types of letters. They are Achulu, Hallulu. Achulu means A, I, E, U, A, I, O. When we are pronouncing Achulu, our lips or our tongue will not be touched with the upper jaw or throat. Air will be pushed out without any obstacle, without any interruption. Air will be pushed out. A, E, U, A, O, like that. But when we are pronouncing consonants, some interruption in the flowing of air will be happened. Tongue will be touched with the upper jaw, or lips may be touched with each other like ma, ka, pa, ja, like that. And when the flow of air will be interrupted for fraction of some time. Here also, like that, here in English also, by using this vowels, we are pronouncing such type of sounds only. A, E, U, like that. And when we are writing words with the vowels in English, they will be preceded by an. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ink pot, an orange, an umbrella. Here sounds or words with vowel all are preceded by an. But you don't blindly accept that all the words started with vowel sound are preceded by and. Sometimes the words started with vowel also will be preceded by a, and sometimes the words started with consonants also preceded by an. What are that we will now go through the example. First, we will go through the consonants. For example, I want to say he is an FBI agent. Why I have to say an FBI? F is the consonant. Here, first, you know FBI? FBI is the famous investigation agency located in USA. The full form of FBI is Federal Bureau of Investigation. And here, he is an FBI agent. Here we are pronouncing F. means we are starting with vowel sound A. So it should be preceded by an. But if you are writing full form, he is a Federal Bureau of Investigation agent, like that. Another example is he is an MP. Here also we are pronouncing MP. MP. M means here also started with pronouns E. A. MP. But when you are writing full form, he is a member of parliament, not he is an member of parliament. At that time we are pronouncing member, it is come to consonant sound. But when we are writing in short form, we are pronouncing MP. M means here M we are pronouncing by using the vowel sound. So we have to mention it with the he is an MP. Another example, half an hour. An hour. Why? Because here we are pronouncing not hour, not hour, it is hour. An hour. An honorable person. Honorable person, not honorable person. So, and. But when you are writing hotel, a hotel. Like this, we have to pronounce. And another one, he is an LLB. Here also we are pronouncing L with L, starting with vowel sound. So we have to write an LLB. Such type of exceptions are there. And now come to the vowels which are having exceptions. First one, E. An Englishman. And John is an Englishman. Correct. But when you are saying he is European, John is an European. It is wrong. Why? Because here this word started with an vowel, but we are pronouncing here U. U is consonant sound. So here European should be preceded by A. John is a European, not an European. But when we are writing here, John is an Englishman, E. Here we are pronouncing vowel sound. So we have to, if the Englishman is preceded by an. But here this word we are writing with vowel, but we are pronouncing consonant sound U. John is a European. A is correct, not an. Like that, an onion. But when you are here pronouncing a, so an onion. Okay, it's right. But when you are writing 1 rupee note or writing 1 rupee note, then you have to write here a 1 rupee note. Why? Because here you are pronouncing va, 1, not on. You are pronouncing 1. So this is W sound or V sound. So you have to write a before of 1 rupee note, not an 1 rupee note. And you, with you also some exceptions are there. An umbrella, an umbrella. So okay, we are pronouncing a, umbrella. But when you are writing unit or when you are writing university, for example, he is an university student. He is an university student. It is totally wrong. Why? Because here university is started or written with by U, but you are pronouncing U, ya sound, ya with ya, U university. So he is a university student. Ram is a union leader. Ram is a union leader. Like this, we have to first, we don't think that all the vowel sounds are preceded by and all the consonant sounds are preceded by a. Some exceptions are there, we discussed here. Children, I hope you learn or understand about vowels and consonants very well. Now I will share one animation related to my topic. Please watch it carefully, and the worksheets also, related worksheets we will send. Do it and send the copies to your class teacher through the WhatsApp. Thank you.
Now we know, kids, there are 26 letters. Out of that, 5 are vowel letters A, E, I, O and U. The remaining are consonant letters. So we will see how these 26 letters make 44 different sounds. From 5 vowel letters, we get 19 vowel sounds. And from 21 consonant letters, we get 25 consonant sounds. This 19 vowel sounds is further divided as 6 short vowel sounds, 6 long vowel sounds, 5 R-controlled vowel sounds and 2 diphthongs. This 25 consonant sounds is further divided as 18 consonant sounds and 7 digraphs. Let's start with 6 short vowel sounds. A, apple, cat. Egg, bread. E, ink, busy. E, O, orange, wash. O, mug, blood. Ooh, book, pull. Ooh. So these are 6 short vowel sounds. Now let's look 6 long vowel sounds. A, table, break. A. E, teeth, seat. E. I, pie, fly. I. O, goat, snow. O. U, few, you. Oo, moon, shoe. Oo. So these are 6 long vowel sounds. Now let's look all the 18 consonant sounds. B, bat, rabbit. B. D, dog, ladder. D. Fish, photo. G, girl, egg. G. Hat, who. J, juice, giraffe. J. Kite, school. Lion, bell. Men, hammer. Nest, no. Pear, apple. Rat, right. Sun, circle. Tiger, button. Van, water, whale. Yak, yellow. Zebra, cheese.